Smoothie in the morning. My smoothie in the morning. Let's get together and feel alright. Oh. I'm going to hurry and make a quick morning smoothie. So for this we need pineapples. Yeah, I washed pineapples. We're gonna be adding beetroot. Ooh. So one beetroot, it didn't peel, I just took off the root. Yeah. I wanna add some ginger because pineapple goes good with ginger. I know, like I have bad camera skills here. Bear with me. Oh, sorry. Alright. So and then we're gonna add a little bit of orange juice. Ooh, I love orange juice in mine. How much did I add? Oh, a little bit. Use your judgment. Alright, you can add a little bit of lime juice if you like, because I love zesty stuff. So you're gonna like screw on this onto the blender. You ready? Make sure it's tightly sealed. Then we're just gonna put this down here. Make sure see. Oh yeah, we're gonna put this down here. I know, right? I am the worst. Then we're gonna press the green frozen smoothie thing. Oh, it needs to be on first. Light comes on, you press this. And this, let it for a little while. Uh-oh. You didn't see that. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, oh. Rest the blender for a little while. You take it out, you shake it up, because what we want to ensure that the ginger is well blended and the pineapple and the beetroot, because those are very fibrous fruits. So we have to ensure that it's blended good, that you consume all the fibers and everything. So we're gonna blend again. And I think that's good. So let's see how the sucker is. It looks really good. I'm excited. All right guys, so I just pulled off the top. This is how it looks. It looks really good. It's really healthy. I'm gonna take a sip to ensure that it's all good. Guys, I'm not lying. Like many times I make smoothies and they aren't that good, but this is a smoothie that I literally can stand by. It's really delicious. So I'm ready to drink this up with my breakfast, of course. Remember, one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Oh. My smoothie in the morning. My smoothie in the morning.